About a month and a half in, this is our wildflower patch, lavender bush, our onions and tomatoes growing so strong. You can see the onions look good from this side. We have a full herb and lettuce garden. We have our basil, parsley, 3 different types of lettuces, an arugula, kale, it's another parsley. Our broccoli's starting to go to flower just because it's getting warm out. Here's our eggplant, our artichoke, our cilantro. Down here we have chamomile and thyme. Across the back we have a different lavender plant and rosemary. My green beans don't look so hot. I did spray them with some soap water mixture. Maybe it had a little bit too much soap. Then we have our tomatillo really going crazy. Marigold, peppers. Something ate my peppers down, so they're kind of coming back to life. My peas are starting to grow. Strawberries still doing well. I have a lot of strawberries getting ready. My lemongrass. Those are all my peas. Spaghetti squash in that corner. My hydrangea all the way back there. Still have blueberries that are starting to get new flowers and leaves. Our blackberries, more onions, chives that I started in one of the seed snails took. And then this is our watermelon. So overall, looking great.